War criminal Netanyahu rejects the call to end the war in Gaza. Hundreds of Palestinians have been killed every day since the start of the war. Netanyahu is getting crazy to kill the civilians, especially children and women of Palestinians, because it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. The USA always unconditionally supports Israel. The USA and their allies are two-faced, so never trust them. Unfortunately, the Palestinians have no support from any country, including the Arab world. They still keep silent. On top of that, the Arab world politics has turned into a dog-eat-dog competition. Shame on the Arab world. Arab leaders, please do something for Palestinians.